Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Microwave food cover. High quality, this microwave cover for food made of PP plus TPR thermoplastic rubber material, combined with hard rubber material, safe BPA-free durable cover, suitable for microwave ovens and dishwashers. Easy to store, a foldable lid can pop up to 3 to cover tall dishes, piles of food, and shallow bowls. The lid can also be folded up to 0.75. The microwave splatter cover fully foldable when not in use for maximum flexibility, and newly designed hook holes for easy storage without taking up space, save you more space. Ventilation holes. Collapsible microwave food cover with holes allows the steam to escape quickly, which is a safer and more economical. Very convenient. With microwave splatter guard, you can ensure that your microwave oven stays clean, as the cover prevents your appliance from soiling food or even splashing or spilling. It can also be used as a plate serving cover. Fruit Soft Serve Maker. Quick and easy to use. Within minutes, easily turn any frozen fruit into a smooth ice cream or sorbet-like treat, without additional fats, sugars, or preservatives. Delicious versatility. Create your own healthy, vegan, keto, and dairy-free treats, or use the 36 included recipes to create simple, homemade desserts like pies, parfaits, and sorbets. Easy to clean. All removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, and the base easily wipes clean after use. Perfect serving size. Make a single serving or enough for the whole family. Peace of mind. Trusted brand for over a decade. 1-year limited defective coverage and BPA-free. Cooking torch. Classic. Safe sturdy creme brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use, with 3 butane adapters included. It's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Bamboo kitchen drawer. Food storage bag holder. Make your drawer neat and organized with this bamboo box. The bag organizer is designed specifically for your food storage bag's organization. Size: 12.5L into 12W into 3H. Compatible with most bags. Compatible with gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack sizes bags. 21 label stickers included. Identify drawer contents instantly with the labels on the box. You can label the organizer clearly or not use the labels to keep the clean look of the bamboo holder. 1 box with 4 slots. Multiple box slots offer you a great way to organize food storage plastic bags, which can fit in different sizes drawers to meet your needs. No assembling needed. Our bamboo organizer box comes fully assembled and easy to use. Size: 12.5 into 12 into 3 inches, 1 PCS. USPTO patent pending. Knife sharpener. 3-step knife sharpener. With our incredible 3-slot system, we're revolutionizing the art of knife sharpening. The first diamond sharpening rod repairs and straightens damaged blades before the second slot sharpens to restore its V-shape. Finally, the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. Easy to use. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle allows you to restore your cooking knives in a matter of seconds. Simply place the blade in each of the slots and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast, effective sharpening. Cut-resistant glove included. At Kitchelance, we put the safety of our customers above all else. Designed with a non-slip base, our kitchen knife sharpener offers comfortable control while you work. We're even including a cut-resistant glove for added safety. Box grater. High-quality stainless steel. This box grater is constructed from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel. It allows for easy, mess-free grating of cheeses, vegetables, and more. It also features a stainless steel top handle for superior comfort. 4 different grating patterns. The grater features 3 grating surfaces and 1 slicing blade. Fine blade, medium, coarse blade, slicing blade. Includes storage container. A 3-cup container fits inside the box grater to catch the grated or sliced food, allowing for easy storage. Capacity markings on container. The container has capacity markings of 1/2 cup, 1 cup, 1.5 cup, and 2 cup, allowing for precise grating measurements for any recipe. Dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe for fast and easy cleanup. 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. Waffle maker. Unique vertical design, engineered to heat evenly and give you consistent results. 5 shade settings. From soft and fluffy to deliciously crispy, get exactly the texture you want. 1-inch Belgian waffles. Roomy, non-stick interior makes for thick, fluffy waffles. Exclusive specialty setting. Allows for high-sugar batters like brownie and cake mix. Precision pour cup. Included cup makes it easy to measure and pour batter. Audible visual alerts. The waffle maker will beep when your waffle is done, no guesswork required. What's included? 1000-watt waffle maker, precision pour cup, chef-curated recipe guide. Sponge holder. Stainless steel. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Kitchen sponges. 6 scrubbing sponges. This pack of Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch Scrub sponges includes 6 sponges. Effective, gentle. Tackle everyday messes with these non-scratch sponges that safely clean grease, grime, and dirt so even the messiest surfaces shine like new. 3x quicker asterisk. They can help you clean 3x quicker compared to other leading temperature-reactive sponges. Safe on most surfaces. Multipurpose scrubbing sponges for cleaning dishes, non-stick pots and pans, countertops, glass, tubs, showers, and more. Do not use on stainless steel appliances. Flexible, durable, strong. These sponges for dishes are S-shaped for a comfortable grip while getting into corners easily. Made from recycled content. The scrubbing fibers are made from 100% recycled plastic for a sustainable clean. Oven gloves. Silicone. Sturdy, flexible, high-grade oven mitts, trivets and mini pinch mitts with a honeycomb textured surface for a strong grip. Heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The 15-inch extra-long oven mitts safeguard hands and forearms from hot cookware and boiling water. Use the trivets to protect kitchen counters or as a pot holder, and use the mini pinch mitts for instant gripping. Made using BPA-free food-grade silicone, this oven mitts pot holder set is sturdy, non-toxic, heat-resistant, stain-resistant, and safe for your loved ones. Waterproof silicone material is not affected by steam or hot liquids, so your kitchen counters stay dry and protected. They also can be machine washed and tumble dried to refresh its look. Sandwich maker. The perfect gift. Whether it's a birthday, a white elephant party, or Father's Day, the breakfast sandwich maker makes a fantastic gift for all occasions. From dads to grads, it's the ideal present for busy professionals, students, and foodies alike. Make 1 or 2 sandwiches. Cook 1 or 2 sandwiches at once with this dual breakfast sandwich maker. It's great for couples, kids, and extra guests. Quick, easy, and ready to eat in 5 minutes. This sandwich maker lets you easily create a breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich in 5 minutes or less. Perfect for a quick meal on the go. Cook delicious breakfast sandwiches in the comfort of your own home. Skip the fast food drive-thru and the store's freezer section. Make your own hot, delicious breakfast sandwiches at home instead.